Mr. Perez-Verdia? Mr. Perez-Verdia? Okay. Mr. Quinn David, sorry, Ms. Quinn Davidson?
No.
Yeah. Well, I don't have that option. Oh.
The motion to postpone indefinitely fails 2 to 8. Members of the Assembly, please mute your phones. We can hear you. Ma'am, I can also hear you, so please, thank you. So now we have the main motion before us, which is the motion to adopt an unnumbered AM 10D31 for professional legal services with Birch, Horton, Bittner, and Shiro.
Miss Allard?
No.
Mr. Peterson?
Yes.
Mr. Rivera?
Yes.
Ms. Kennedy?
No.
Ms. LaFrance?
Yes.
Mr. Dunbar?
Yes.
Mr. Perez-Verdia? Ms. Quinn Davidson?
Yes.
So 10D31, an unnumbered AM for contract for professional legal services with Birch, Horton, Bittner, and Shiro has passed the body on a vote of 8 to 2. And now we're going to take a 5-minute break to go shake someone. After I ask, please, I don't think we know who it is. There's about a dozen people who've called in. I would urge an immediate reconsideration on this item.
Move immediate reconsideration.
Second?
Moved and seconded. The motion to reconsider is before us. I urge no vote.
Miss Allard?
No.
Mr. Peterson?
No.
Mr. Rivera?
No.
Ms. Kennedy?
Yes.
Ms. LaFrance?
No.
Mr. Dunbar?
No.
Mr. Perez-Verdia? Ms. Quinn Davidson?
No.
All right, the motion to reconsider has failed on a vote of 1 yes and 9 no's. And with that, we'll now take a break. Thank you, everybody. 5 minutes.